In this tutorial, we will create a reusable alert view that can be used in any view. To display the alert view, the user will type in delete, click on the remove record button, and then the alert view would be displayed as a dialog and with two buttons, OK and cancel. And this is what we'll be creating in this tutorial. Within your Xcode project, create a new SwiftUI view and name the view Custom Alert View. Select SwiftUI as a file and name it Custom Alert View. We can delete the preview between lines 16 and 20. After lines 10, enter the following variables. At binding bar is showing bool, and the purpose of that variable is to control the visibility of the alert, so that will have true or false to display the alert. Another reason why it's binding is because we send the Boolean variable from the content view to the custom alert view. Let title string and title is the title text of the alert. Let message string. Message is a message for the alert. Let on OK. Open bracket, close bracket, void. And this is a closure to handle the OK button action when tapped from the custom alert view. Let on cancel is similar to the OK button, but the only difference is that when the user clicks on cancel, the cancel closure is executed. Void. We can delete lines 18. Now we need to create a Z stack. If it's showing color dot black dot opacity open bracket 0.5 dot edges ignore safe area dot all. So what that does on line 19 to lines 21, show the alert only if it's showing is true. And then on lines 20, it creates a transparent background color. And then lines 21 is just to ignore the safe edges. Now we need to create a V-stack, spacing 20, text, title, dot font, title, dot bold, dot foreground color, dot black. So what that does, it displays the title, and then it just formats the title on the alert with a black text for the foreground, and it bolds it as well. We need to do something similar for the message. So I'll just copy what we just done, but I won't copy the V-stack part, just the text and the formatting, like the styling for the text. And then for this one on lines 29, just replace it so that it has message. And for lines 30, dot body, remove bold, and then for the foreground color, make that grey, and then the message will be multi-line because it could be any type of long error message. Multi-line text alignment, dot center. The next thing we need to create is the horizontal stack for the buttons. H-stack, spacing 20. And then within the H-stack, we need to apply the button with the button action. And then this button, what we're creating, is the cancel button. So this needs to call the cancel closure. And because we have now cancelled the alert view, that means we don't want it to be displayable anymore. So we need to make sure that we assign is showing to false, is showing to false, so that it gets rid of the view. We also need a caption for the button so the user knows what the button does. So the caption is cancel And then we need to style the text. Dot padding. Dot frame. Max width. Dot infinity. Line 41, it just makes sure that both of the buttons are the same size. So one button isn't longer or bigger than the other one. They're all equal. Dot background color. Dot red. Dot foreground color. Dot white. Dot corner radius. 10. The corner radius just makes sure that the button has rounded corners so it doesn't have sharp edges. That's what it does. Next thing we need to do is to add our OK button. So we do that after lines 45. Anywhere after lines 45, we can add that other button. Button, action, on OK. On OK, that will execute the OK closure, similar to on cancel. Is showing equals false. Now we need to create the caption for the button. This one is called OK, so just type in OK. And then we just do the padding and everything what we've done in the previous one. So I'll just copy and paste what we've done previously. Corner radius is 10. Foreground color is white. Background color, it should be blue. And everything else is the same. I'll just compile it. Keeps on showing an error. Is it to do with on OK? Action. I spelled action incorrectly. It should be T-I-O-N. Now I'll compile it and see if it compiles. It compiles. And the next thing we need to do is anywhere after lines 59, we need to assign a frame to the alert. Dot frame width 300. Dot padding and then dot background color dot white dot corner radius is 20. I'll compile it again.